Peace, people. I hope you're good. Right. Blackbox Store. I've looked out once again. What I'm about to show you are the Nike Air Force One popcorn editions, which are absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, I've got to shout out the Blackbox Store crew for looking out. Gianluca and the whole peeps. Yo, I really do appreciate you. Thank you very much. Right, now to the shoes. Before we get to the shoes, look at the tissue wrap. Just like what you'd find when you dispense popcorn in that carton. Love that detail. Now the shoes, yo, these are something else. These are beautiful. Check it out. Look at that silhouette. As designed by Bruce Kilgore back in 1982, these are probably one of the most exquisite items of footwear ever. For me, one of my favorites, that's for sure. Everyone's rocking these bad boys, no matter what age, no matter what gender, no matter what sort of vibe they're into. The Air Force One is now permeated into mainstream society. Let's get close so you can check out the quality. You have a beautiful, soft, supple, tumbled leather right here, which means no crease toe boxes. So that's a win. The white accents really make it pop. Fresh since 82. And then here, a little chain with a little nugget of popcorn. Love that detail. And then look at this. Look at how the font, the Nike font, has been flipped up like that. Beautiful. And on the insole, you got the popcorn artwork. And then on the tongue tab, it's all about the popcorn vibes. These beauties, I reckon, are, I've got to say, future classics. Going to be up there with the linens and all those sort of types of shoes. You know, the Air Force One, a beautiful canvas. The amount of iterations we've received over the years, you know, are too many to count. But these ones here definitely do stand out, and I reckon are going to be regarded as one of the best, no question. Anyway, Blackbox Store, Gianluca, I appreciate you. Thank you very much for looking out, all right? And you people out there, yeah? Stay safe, all right? One love.